What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I hope you're excited for an amazing NFT today, but before we break it down, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, your own due diligence, and do not invest anything you are not willing to lose. Today we are looking at the happy astronauts. They're happy and excited because they're in space, they are exploring, they are battling, they are farming, and they are having an amazing time. This is a gem. This project is amazing. I'm going to show you why. We're going to start with the roadmap here of what they hope to achieve. Now we're in Q1 of 2022 at the time I am recording this, but they're working on things like deployment, closed beta, the Zolade multiverse, and some ecosystems. But as we move further, the multiverse will pop off. There'll be marketplaces, partners. There'll be a release of an official game trailer. And as we get to Q3, we're going to get some more things like the mobile hub beta release, the multiverse, things like that. And this is going to be really, really exciting because a lot of different things are going to be all centered around their Astro token. And with that being said, we're going to check out everything here and understand how it works, where it's coming from, and just everything that you need to know. So what is this all about? Well, they have an algorithm generator that's going to create 10,000 unique astronaut variations that vary in different rarity structure. So you're going to get a really, really cool set of astronauts. And not only that, but you're going to be immersed in an ecosystem. So Lydia is actually going to be an adapted ecosystem where you can have fun gaming, you can do socials, you can get involved in trading, you can even check out how the players are interacting with the world. You're going to see holders, enthusiasts, you're going to see everything it needs to create a happy astronaut, because we want to be happy astronauts. Also, this is in the early stages, and really what they're doing is they're building and building up, and they're going to have an amazing Discord presence, an amazing presence when it comes to just building their social media army. And they have over 7,000 mints that they're working to put, and when they hit 1,000 mints, they are going to give away a Tesla and 80k, yes, 80k worth of Ethereum. Boom! If that doesn't excite you, I don't know what will when that milestone is hit. So Astro has a lot to offer, and this is going to help a lot of newcomers, because you might be new, you might be wondering what is going on with these NFT projects. They are really working to make a long-term relationship with the people who are excited about NFTs. That's why I say it is community driven. And they also have tech partners who are giants, just giants in the gaming industry. You've heard of Xbox and PlayStation. They also have Microsoft, Unity, and the Unreal Engine. And they have so many different variations. As I said, 10,000 different backgrounds, spacesuits, helmets, chest glows, straps, itching. This really is just exciting. And if that wasn't enough, they're helping out charity with children's play, helping out the lives of children, helping people get laptops, getting children laptops so they can learn about how to use a computer at a young age. And also they have code dedicated to expanding participation in computer science, and they have some major partners. So what do the NFTs look like? Check out these artwork, guys. This is super trippy and amazing. I just love looking at these. And if you click on one of them, you can take a look and kind of zoom into this. And I'm loving how cool this looks. The astronaut has this magical thing, this like orb coming out, and this beautiful surreal background. That feels amazing. And if you click on another one, boom, you can feel that same energy, that orb and that really cool background. And they're all randomly generated, and this is really cool looking. I haven't seen NFTs that look quite like these. These are super unique in the fact that all the backgrounds are differently colored, they're shiny backgrounds, and the astronauts themselves have this amazing orb feeling, and you can really get down with something like this. And they are also available on OpenSea, so if we just pop that open, OpenSea is a marketplace for NFTs. You can take a look at the Happy Astronauts V2. Check out that cool animation where it's just popping off and doing all the different variations. Gotta love it. And we're gonna find a bunch of astronauts here that you can get really excited about, and all the price. You can get this in Ethereum. So guys, check out the Happy Astronauts V2 if you're in the marketplace on OpenSea. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more about them, you can hit them up on their socials. You can really get involved, and that is going to Twitter /Happy Astronauts. We can see what is going on. We can see all the different things that they are doing, all the different things that they are involved in, and the limited edition astronauts that you have to get your hands on, because once they're gone, they're gone. I'm loving the skull one. I'm thinking a lot of these are really, really cool. And then we have some interesting things here where they're talking about the Happy Astronauts. You can see the different animations and the different stages, including the roadmap, how they're going to get full NFT crypto immersion, and everything else that goes along with this project. Now, we also have the Discord. Now, if we go to verify and click on the check mark, boom, we will get to the server, and I'll show you what that looks like. But first, let's go over everything here. You have the announcements, everything they're announcing about Happy Astronauts, so you need to know what's going on. Here's all the important announcements. You have polls to decide what are interesting to you, special edition, limited edition, and different things like geography, gaming, and acceptance. And then they also have things like the games. You can check out Astro vs. Astro, you can check out the Astro quiz, and you can also check out things like the special contest. Get involved with all of that, and there's NFT education to also help you out. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and click on the verify, and we're going to take a look inside the server as well. So that's everything on the outside. Let's go ahead and click verify and see what we get. So I've just clicked on verify, and now you can see welcome. There's rules, there's a roadmap, official links, announcements is still here. There's also a lot more like about us. You can even ask questions. There's the polls as we talked about before, and all the games, but there's more. There's fan art, there is support, there is news, there is a ton of stuff here, guys. So that's all you have to do. Click on the green check mark and you'll see all of this, and you can interact in these various channels. As you can see, it's a super active Discord, and they're really, really excited for it, and I am too. So go ahead, click on that green check mark and get started and become a happy astronaut. And check out their Instagram. You can check out all their artwork right here, and even see if you can get involved in some of the giveaways they have. And if that's not enough, check this out, guys. We got a Twitch. That's something pretty cool to see. I don't see tons of Twitches for NFTs, but they are really, really into gaming. As you saw, Xbox, PlayStation, some Unreal. They are really hitting big names in the gaming industry, 10K NFTs, and this is really cool to see. This is something actually pretty rare. And even on Facebook, you can check them out at the Happy Astronauts NFTs and watch a video. See what they're all about. Get involved. Guys, this is much bigger than just NFTs. This has minting, this has gaming, this is combining a lot of different things together. Building an open world, building a sandbox game where you can engage in PvP with amazing graphics, and also being part of an ecosystem that has never been seen or felt before, using that power to unlock NFTs, to work with cryptocurrencies, all powered by the blockchain. And if that doesn't make you a happy astronaut, I don't know what will, because this is going to knock you to outer space. Just check out these amazing animations. Right now, we are in stage 2, guys, minting, gearing up to mint, so get involved right now and see where you can be in the Happy Astronauts space adventure. This is your adventure, guys. You can explore, you can build, you can battle, farm, and stake in the game to be awarded Astro Coin. So let's get it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, smash the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and as always, got anything for me, questions, comments, feedback, hit me below in that section, and I will see you in the next video.